Unleash your inner fidget master. Tired of boring fidget spinners? Get ready to be amazed. This isn't just a spinner, it's a magnetic, glowing, shape-shifting marvel. This TOSY magnet fidget spinner glow is more than meets the eye. With 136 magnets, you can create endless shapes and designs. It's a fidget spinner, infinity cube, and 2x2 puzzle cube all in one. The smooth, stainless steel bearing ensures long, satisfying spins. Plus, the glow-in-the-dark feature adds an extra layer of fun. It's perfect for stress relief and boosting focus. This fidget spinner isn't just for fun, it's educational too. It helps improve creativity, logical thinking, and hand-eye coordination. It's STEAM accredited, making it a great learning tool. It's also a fantastic gift for birthdays, Easter, or any special occasion. Suitable for ages 6+, it's a toy that both kids and adults will love. Don't miss out on this amazing 3-in-1 fidget toy. Head over to the product page on Amazon to grab your TOSY Magnet Fidget Spinner Glow today. Experience the endless possibilities and say goodbye to boredom.